Hey there, it's Lenny McGill with the GlockStore Performance and Custom Shop right here in the amazing Nashville studios. And you know what? Many people are familiar with the Glock MOS pattern. Now, you look at the Glock MOS pattern, there it is, and it allows you to install a variety of different optics. They require typically an adapter plate that will adapt your optic to that particular MOS cutout. We sell different plates for that, and Glock actually gives plates in their MOS guns as well. Typically, they give away or they include, should I say, the O2 plate, which is for RMR and Hullison 507C. We here at the GlockStore make a K plate that will fit the K optics. We make a C plate that'll fit the RMR and the Hullison 507C. And we also make an A plate, and it will fit the ACRO. But many people are not aware that Glock also does special runs of MOS guns, and this one is a special run for law enforcement. It's on a Glock 49 slide, which will fit onto the Glock 19, Glock 47, Glock 45, and of course the Glock 49. But this one was milled for the ACRO, the Aimpoint ACRO, and you can see it's from the factory, pre-milled for the Aimpoint. And it's a rare animal. There's not many of these around. Typically, you won't see these out for the civilian marketplace. It is amazing that they are, milling exactly for the optics sometimes, and the ACRO is a really highly respected optic. And so, hence, it's got a different cover plate that won't really fit into the standard MOS plate, but it does fit perfectly onto that ACRO cutout. And there it is. So lots of fun stuff coming from Glock. They keep on innovating and changing and going with the marketplace. And we're here to help you stay up to speed on everything Glock here at the GlockStore in Nashville, Tennessee. And if you're ever in Nashville, you got to drop by the store. We're just 2 miles from the airport. And the store is fantastic. Our Shoot 270 experience is amazing. We get lots of 5-star reviews, and we want you to be one of them. So thanks for watching. I'm Lenny McGill. We'll see you next time.